Hello, in this video I'm gonna explain if iPhone 16 or 16 Pro has SIM card slot. In the American version of the phone, it doesn't have a physical SIM card slot. It only has eSIMs, so you can install these eSIMs via QR codes provided by your carrier, and you can store up to 8 eSIMs in your phone's storage, but only 2 of them can be active and connected to network at the same time, and you can change it in settings. But in the European version of the iPhone, you can find one SIM card slot, and also you can have eSIMs like in the American version, so you just have +1 physical card slot, which is on the left side of your iPhone if you have the European version. You can use a SIM card tray opener or a needle to put it in the hole here. Then the tray pops out and you can see that there is a SIM card which I have already put in before. And I can also store up to 8 eSIMs on the iPhone, even if it's the European version, and I can only use up to 2 SIMs at the moment, either one physical and one eSIM or 2 eSIMs. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.